Good morning, students. We have studied the same second and paper partial differential equation. Unit first, chapter first, total differential equation and Pythagorean differential equation. What is the Pythagorean differential equation? Pythagorean or total differential equation. The equation of the form P dx plus Q dy plus R dz equal to 0 is called the total differential equation in the three variable x, y, z. Here three variable a, x, y and z. Okay. And it is also called a Pythagorean differential equation. This form is also called Pythagorean differential equation. Then here P, Q, R are the function of x, y, z. Here P, Q and R are the function of x, y, z. This equation is also written in the form x dr equal to 0. Then where x is equal to pqr and dr is equal to dx, dy and dz. Now another form is, this is the Pythagorean or total differential equation. Another form of this equation is exact or integrable differential equation. And if p dx plus q dy plus r dz is equal to df, the equation is same as the Pythagorean differential equation, but here the two values are different. Here 0 and here is df. Okay. For some f is equal to f of x, y, z, then the differential equation is said to be exact or integrable. This is the equation is exact or integrable, and the solution of the form this exact differential equation is f of x, y, z is equal to c. And this is also called integral surface or integral curves. Okay. Example of this equation, the differential equation twice x dx plus 4y dy plus 6z dz equal to 0. It is an exact differential equation because here ax, y and z form is present. Here x form, dx form, dy form and dz form is present. And x dx here, y dy and z dz. Okay, and this is the form of the f of x, y, z. This differential equation are equal to the form of the f of x, y, z, and this is called as the exact differential equation. Okay, and twice x dx, solving this differential equation, twice x dx plus 4y dy plus 6z dz equal to 0, and this is the derivative of twice x dx means derivative of x square, 4y dy means derivative of 2y square, 6z dz means derivative of 3z square, means all this term is the derivative of x square plus 2y square plus 3z square equal to 0. And by integration of this, integral this differential equation means derivative of x square plus 2y square plus 3z square dx equal to 0, and that means the derivative is cancelled here, and that means the x square plus 2y square plus 3z square is equal to c, and the f of x, y, z is equal to, this is the form of x, y, z, f of x, y, z, and f of x, y, z is equal to x square plus 2y square plus 3z square, and this is the, that means this is the exact differential equation. And the differential equation y dx plus x square dy plus sin x dz equal to 0. This is not exact. Why not exact? Because here y dx form means not x dx here. Here x square dy means not y dy. And here sin x dz means x and dz here. And that means this is the not exact differential equation because the form is not is equal to the form f of x, y, z. That means this equation is not exact. Thank you.